Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we got something a little bit special today. Something they make out of New Orleans is the crawfish pie. So let's get over to making this crawfish pie. I'm gonna show you how to do it a simple and easy way. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. This helps me out abundantly. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I see a lot of y'all coming in and not subscribing. So first things first, get over there to subscribe and press that little subscribe button, and let's get into the ingredients. All right, so these are all the ingredients you need to make this crawfish pie. We got an etouffee mix, crawfish meat, garlic, bell peppers, onions, celery, and 5 sticks of butter, and Tony's seasoning, Creole seasoning. So let's get into making this crawfish pie. Oh, and don't forget the mini crawfish pies that we're gonna put it into. So a little mini pie crust. All right, so we're gonna put our butter in. This is about 5 tablespoons of it. I'm browning my butter right now. I'm gonna add in my vegetables. So that's the celery, 1/4 celery, 1/4 onion, and 1/4 bell pepper. These are 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup, and your garlic. Now, don't worry about it looking brown. That's how it's supposed to be. And so we're gonna saute these up. We're gonna add in, our base to it. All right. Doing doing this helps it get a nutty taste, flavorful. When you're making this crawfish pie. I'm gonna stir it around, add everything in, and we get over to add the next ingredients next. All right, add in your etouffee roux, your base. This is what I use. It comes out excellent. Now, if you want to make etouffee with it, you can, but I'm making a twist and using this because it has all the wonderful flavors that you need in a crawfish pie. So make sure you stir everything up before you add in the next ingredients. Good. Get some smell-o-vision, guys. Smell-o-vision. That's how you want it to look before you add your 2 cups of water. Add in the 2 cups of water. Now you can do 2 cups of chicken broth, low sodium, seafood stock. It's just up to you. But I'm gonna stick to the ingredients because I'm gonna add some more flavors. We're building flavors, so I don't want to add too much salt in here. All right, so put the temperature up on high, let this come to a boil, and we'll add in the rest of the ingredients. All right, now, so add 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning of your liking, and 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. So, etouffee, if anybody knows, etouffee is a gravy. You can put anything, chicken etouffee, fish etouffee, shrimp etouffee, crawfish etouffee. Etouffee means gravy, you guys. All right, so this is time to turn your temperature down, and I'm gonna apply the rest of the ingredients. 1 can of celery for this recipe. Like I said, I have all the detailed recipes, so you can go out and get your shopping list, in the description below. But yeah, that's all you need. And you finish it up with the egg and throw in the crawfish. All right, so now we're gonna add in our crawfish tails. It's about 1 pound. Just put it all in. Now, if you want to make more of this, just double the ingredients. Next, we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of tomato sauce and a tablespoon of Louisiana hot sauce. Mix all your ingredients up. Make sure this is when you turn off your temperature. You just mix everything in. And I forgot to say earlier, add in your green onions to it as well. So I already had added in the green onions, so I'm just tossing this in. And then we're gonna get over to add in the binder. This is the egg. You can do 2 medium eggs or 1 large egg. So let's add in these eggs. This is your binder. Mix everything in. Now, if you like, you don't want to add an egg into it, you can actually add cornstarch, sticking it up. But egg, you can do both. Mix everything in. And get a pie crust. Start filling them up. All right, so make sure you put your oven on, preheat it on 350 degrees, and we're gonna fill it up. This is about 1/4 of a cup, you know, so let's get the filling. And be generous about it. So put enough in. All right, so I think that's good enough. And just do the rest of them, same exact way. Now what you can do, now sometimes I do this is, you know, I bake my crust so it can have much more of a stiffer feel at the bottom, you know, or, you know, you don't have to do that. Also, sometimes you can do egg white, wash around the edges to give it a little shine or whatever like that. So just put 2 scoops in it, you know, eyeball it as much as you can. You don't want to overdo it because mind you, it's going to cook in the oven. All right, so let me finish these up and I'm going to stick it in the oven. All right, so what we want to do is put it center rack, like I always preach, so it can cook evenly. And I will see you back when this is done. All right, so I left the crawfish pies in for about 20 minutes. I checked on them in 15 minutes, the first 15 minutes to see, and then I let it stay in for an additional 5 minutes. So here they are, you guys. Let me know what you think. Came out pretty good. They're hot and toasty. You know, real simple, easy recipe. You know, I wanted to do a little bit much of my twist on crawfish pies because people got different variations of the ways they can do it. This is mine. I found it really easy to use the etouffee because it already had the flavoring and seasoning, and with all the other added, ingredients and stuff like that. Not too far from what the original ingredients are. Is just adding that in as a roux instead of making your roux from scratch. So let me know if you tried this out before. It pretty much came out, real quick and easy. Thanks for stopping on by. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. My motto is food feeds the soul, and I will have a lot of these recipes coming to you weekly. Remember the schedule: Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll be posting up videos, and I have shorts on a lot of these. But if you're new, don't forget to come in here. You know, say I see all you guys coming in here, but you guys ain't subscribing. Come on in and subscribe. It helps me out a bunch, you guys. And for those that is in here hanging with me tough, thanks for coming in. And let me know if you're going to try out this recipe. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and check out these cool videos. See you in the next one, you guys. Thanks for coming on by.